Shelby Township's Burgess Shadbush Nature Center has no shortage of knowledgeable and intriguing events for kids and everyone in the community. Here, they offered an owl investigation, teaching all about the creatures. Participants could view the taxidermied body of a real owl and the kind of mice they eat. They could even dissect a real owl pellet to find out about owls' diets and put together the skeletons of their prey. The Nature Center is frequently putting on a variety of events that could appeal to anyone's interests. For more information and to stay up to date on events being offered by the Burgess Shadbush Nature Center, check out their page on the Township's website or follow them on Facebook.